Hey, what's up, everybody? This is a 2000 Ford E350, 5.4 liter with a Triton, and we are replacing this guy right here. So there's the old one. So let me show you. This is, first of all, basically it sits in there, down in there like that, way like down in there. So you gotta take the battery out. There's only two 13mm bolts holding the tray in right there. So you just gotta take the battery out, take that tray out. You got three 8mm bolts right there, 1, 2, and 3. Holding it down. There go the holes right there. There's one down there, 2 right there. You gotta take off this connector right here from your sensor, which goes right there. I already transferred it to this one. So this is like a 17mm for a wrench, and then you just turn it counterclockwise off the old one and then screw it back onto the new one. This right here, you're gonna need a quick disconnect. This right here is a 1 1/16, which is the big end, and then the little end, I think that's a 24, which is right here. So it comes here, and that hose curves around like this down here. So when you put it in, you want to curve that hose real tight, and to get it out of here, you gotta take this out, and then you have to bend it. I had to bend the hose and like real hard and like pull it through here and then pull it up like this. But then you need a quick disconnect. Go right here. So your quick disconnect goes right here, and it goes in this way. So it goes inside here, and it's the biggest one. So I used this guy right here. You can see the Freon on it. So on your quick disconnect, it's gonna be the biggest one. And that's how you get it off. That's it. So this is a 2000 Ford E350, 5.4 liter with a Triton. This is the big passenger vehicle, passenger van. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Got more videos coming soon. Thank you.